Hello, Roadrunner families. My name is Mr. Jones, and I'm going to be your 7th grade students advisor this year. So sorry I was unable to be here live with you tonight. I had some scheduling conflicts, but I've left you in good hands. Just wanted to introduce myself real quickly and let you know who I am and how to best reach me throughout the school year. So I'm going to be your 7th grade ELA teacher as well as a 7th grade network content lead this year. So I oversee the curriculum and support of our 7th grade English teachers across our network. I'm also the very proud Roadrunner advisor. This is my 8th year in education, my 5th year teaching at Byers. Every year, the Roadrunners are just a standout group. We are fast, we are goofy, we are silly. I'm super pumped to learn more about you and your students this year and see their success. I went to Metro State University. I graduated in 2011 with a Bachelor's of Arts degree in English Literature, and I also received my license in secondary education. I'm a proud dog dad to Booker C. Jones. He's there in the pictures. He is a pit bull boxer rescue. I got him last May in the peak of COVID quarantine. And then I'm also the very proud uncle to my new niece, Logan, pictured there. I got to spend some time with her this summer. As I said, I'll be your student's advisor. We are the proud Roadrunners. The best way to reach me is by email at dallas.jones@scienceandtech.org. I prioritize all parent and family emails, so please never hesitate to shoot me an email, and I will make sure that every morning I get back to you as quickly as I can. If I don't have an immediate answer, I will definitely get to you within the next 24 hours. Additionally, I've sent out a few emails and flyer reminders with a quick survey. So far, 9 families have done that. I really appreciate it. If you have not yet done that, please take some time tonight, just quickly fill out that Google form and tell me a little bit about yourselves and your students. I really appreciate it. I'm going to leave you off with our dean next, and you all have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much.